Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the new Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. As you can see, I took 4 lipsticks from her new collection and I bought Velvet Midnight, Velvet Myth, Velvet Decade and Velvet Muse. I received them today and I pre-ordered them the very first day of the launch, so today is Tuesday. On Monday the shipment started and today they are here. I live in Italy and so the shipment was very fast and I was so impressed with it. I also made a change in my order and so I thought that maybe it could be late because of this. Instead, it was not. So I'm gonna show you these lipsticks because I think it could be useful if you have a similar skin tone of mine. I know that some shades are already sold out, and I mean Velvet Myth, that was one of the very first shade to be out of stock. It's a very beautiful mulberry, a vivid mulberry shade, and I think it could look beautiful on almost every skin tone. Also, Velvet Beauty, that I didn't purchase, is out of stock and it's a very nice pink color, a cool pink. Velvet Myth, Velvet Beauty and Velvet Muse that are sold out, except for Velvet Muse that you can find it on some set. These 3 shades, I think they are so close to Lisa Eldridge's followers' taste and they are so beautifying. I mean, I think they are sold out so quick also for this reason. Instead, Velvet Decade and Velvet Midnight are the deepest shades and they are quite dramatic, so if you want you can check, but I think you have already checked Lisa Eldridge's latest video where she wears these 2 shades and make them more wearable also for everyday look. Now my intention is to show you these shades on me. I am quite pale, I mean fair, but it's almost pale as usual. I'm wearing a number 2 foundation of Armani. It's a Luminous Silk foundation from Armani. I'm wearing also a quite neutral with red undertones eyeshadow. And on my lips I'm wearing almost nothing except for a balm I applied before. So let's start from Velvet Muse. The packaging of New Velvets is almost the same. It is this beautiful gold case and it is magnetic as usual. The bullet is velvet. This is Velvet Muse, a beautiful nude pink shade. Let's try it. So this is Velvet Muse. It's a beautiful muted pink shade. More light than Velvet Muse, but it matches. I love this shade because yes, it's very natural, but it's also very particular, so it really adds something to your makeup. Now is the time of Velvet Myth. Today light name is so because it's a very rainy day here in Italy and it never stops. A very incredible shade for those ones like me who love blue undertones. They are so precise when you apply it. In my opinion, it's a very extremely beautiful shade. I'm using now this pencil from Kiko, but it's the very first time I tried this lipstick, so maybe there is something that matches better. Now let's move to Velvet Decade. This is the shade I had it at the end of my order, so that's why I changed my order. And at first sight I thought that Velvet Decade, it couldn't work for me because I'm pale and it looked very brown for me. I love lipstick with blue undertones when they have to be very dark, and so I thought it could drain me out. And now let's have a look. Oh yes, it's mauve, so very I always put a little bit on my inner part of the lips. Very fair base, and then put a little bit of warm tones on your cheeks, and I think it looks great with it. So this is Velvet Decade. It's not so dark, so you should give it a chance because it's very particular. It's time for the deepest shade, Velvet Midnight. Very vampy shade. Ooh. Very dark. This is the beautiful and very vampy Velvet Midnight. It's very dark. I'm painting it with nude eyes, but with fine silver glitters. A light contour, but quite defined, quite sculpted, I mean. And yes, it's very beautiful. You see how make my blonde go more cool. If you have a pale skin, light blue eyes, blonde hair, I think Velvet Midnight is for you because it's so deep but also so cool. So my light is going down, so I think it's time to say bye. I hope this review could be helpful for you. If I have also 2 videos about Lisa Eldridge lipstick, Summer Pink Collection and the Red Velvet, so if you wanna have a look, they are on my YouTube channel. And if you wanna purchase these lipsticks, you have to go on Lisa Eldridge's website because it's the only place where you can find these beautiful lipsticks. Texture is amazing, color are so particular, so you can't find a real dupe of these lipsticks. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!